Hello everyone, I'm Chef Hanith. Today I'm going to give a special snack for my mama. You want to make? You have to follow my recipe then. First, for the recipe I have some biscuits, carrots and cucumber, coriander leaves and cheese. Let's start. I am putting the cheese. Now top of the cheese, let's put one biscuit. So here it goes. Now let's put some vegetables. Healthy vegetables. Carrot and cucumber. Each one. Wow, it looks colorful. Let's put some coriander leaves on it. It looks so colorful, isn't it? Now, I'm going to give to my mama. Before that, let me taste. Let me taste one. Wow, it looks so yummy, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Hey.
Oh, you made for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, Hanith. It looks so yummy and so healthy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, how did you learn it?
I did it on my own.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. You can give to everybody one. Go, give to Dadima also. Give this one. You take this one and ask them to take one.
Thank you for your recipe.